Hey, we picked up a dash cam. We'll get this up in the car and show you how it operates, okay? Hey, thanks for coming back. I'm Wayne. Hey, we picked up this dash cam. We'll get this up in the car, show you how to operate this little guy and see how good it is, all right? Stay with us. Let's open this little guy up and see what we can do with it here. What do you say? Box. Here's the actual camera itself. All that out of the way. There's your camera. There's the lens. That's the screen. There's all your things to do with it. Okay, we'll set that right there. What's in this little guy? Right there. All right. There's where you plug it into your cigarette lighter or you plug in the car, either one, whatever. There's your cable for hooking it up. There's your thing to snap it onto the windshield. Pull that off, get it out of the way since you don't need that. Installation. Okay. Look there. There's a card reader. Put your card in there, right there. Plug it into your PC if you need to. Here is the manual that came with it, telling you all what to do with it, how it works, and how to connect it, how to set it up, and all that. We'll go through that and show you how to set it up, okay? See what we can do here. This little guy has to hook up right here somewhere. Looks like right there. See that? There it goes. It's hooked up. Now we can connect this up to our windshield in our car, and we're ready to see what we can do with it. Kind of show you where everything is here. If you look on the back, it has what is everything is right there. There's your power button right there. There's your lock button that locks video so that you can't erase it in case you need it, okay? There's your mode button to go between video and photo. There's your OK button when you're going up and down in the menu and you find something to select it, hit the OK button. Over here is the down button. There's the menu button. Push that and you go through all the menu, set everything up. There's your up button. There's your TF card right there. That's your memory card. Look at there. Push that little thing. It comes out. The small one. It comes with the memory card. Push it back in right there till it clicks. Okay. On top here, there's where you hook your cable in. You plug it up in what's in your car. Microphone if you need one. So there's where everything is on this. So we'll go through this and start setting it all up, okay? All right, I turned it on to see if the battery was charged, and it's not. So what we're going to do is connect this up right here. There's where you plug your cable in. Set it down right here. I'll hook it up to the USB port of my PC. See the light right there charging? It's flashing, means it's charging. All right, so we'll let it sit there and charge for a while. See how long it takes. We'll get it charged and start using it. Here. Turn the little guy on right here. Hold it for a couple seconds. There you go. Okay, you see up here, it's telling us we're in the video mode right here at the corner, the little camera. We're on 1080. We go into the setup right here, the menu button. Now, we got up and down right here, okay? So we're on resolution. Let's see what we can do on resolution. So press the OK button. 1080 or 720. We'll stay on 1080. It's default. Come down. Sorry. So get back in there. Here we go. Comes down. Loop. It automatically loops. You can take it out of the loop if you want to. You might not want to take it out. You only got a minute or 3 minutes or 5 minutes, so we'll stay on a minute. Come down again, time lapse, and that's going to require some extra hardware we don't have. So time lapse recording duration, you can tell it how long you want it. Off, 8 hours, 16 hours. I'm going to turn it off. Off. Okay. Come down to high dynamic range. It's off. You can turn it on if you want to. I'm not going to. Exposure. It tells you how many seconds of exposure. We're going to leave it on 0. Down again. Motion detection. Turns on the motion detection when you got it set up in your car and just sitting there overnight. Anytime something comes by and moves, it'll turn on the camera. We're not going to do that right now, but do that if you want to. Off. Sound recording. We want the sound recording on, yes. You turn it off if you want to. Date stamp. Date stamp. Okay, we want that to say 26. Okay, today is the 5th, I think. 6th. Okay, so let's up that to 6. I'm sorry, that's the month. Let's come down. That's the month. Okay, and today's the 6th. So we come down to the 6th. Okay. The time of the day is that's in 24-hour mode. So this is 2 o'clock. So that's 1400. So let's come down. 1400. And it is 45. So we're on 43. So let's go up to 45. Seconds is just whatever. All right. We're done there. So let's say, hit that menu button again. And it kept it down. That's where you can format your card. You put in a new card, you'll need to format it. You might want to do it every so often just to get rid of everything on it, okay? Default settings. You can set everything back to default if you want to. I'm not going to. So let's hit that button and save it. Automatically starts recording. Hit the OK and it'll stop recording. Now if you go over here to mode, the M, it will go to camera. See your camera up here? Right there? Let's go over here and we'll say settings, capture mode, single shot. That's what we want. You can have it 2-second delay, 5 or 10-second. If you want to go to resolution, change the resolution. That's the standard, that's default. I'm going to leave it there. So continuous shooting is off. But if you turn that on, when you press the button, it'll take a certain amount of photos for you, okay? I'm not going to do that. Off. Exposure. That's changing for the light and all that. We're going to leave it on 0. Date stamp. Turn it on or off. I'll turn it on. That way there'll be a date on there. Capture mode. Okay, we're done here, so let's hit the menu button. Menu button again, we're out of it. We hit the mode button, we go into the video. Okay, now when you start the car, it will come on automatically and start recording. If you have it in the pause mode, hit your OK button and it'll start recording. See there? All right. So now we've got all settings up. We just need to go outside and set it in the car, get it set up, and we'll show you how to take some photos and videos out in the car. All right, we're going to put this little guy right up here, like so. Fix our camera like that. We got it plugged in. We got it plugged into the cigarette lighter plug. In case you don't have a cigarette lighter, you're in a newer car, they have 6-volt plug-ins. Or 12-volt plug-ins. Plug that in right there. Let's tighten this little guy up right here. Okay. Turn it on. There it is. Look there, we're on camera. Let's take a picture. What do you say? No, we're on the video. Let's go to mode. There's the photo. Take OK for the picture. Take a picture right there. All right. Now we're ready. We start the car. It should start up in recording, and we're ready to go. We'll take a little drive and see how it does. All right, I stopped recording and pulled the camera down where I can get to it. Now we're going to go to the mode button. Press it once, and it goes to camera. Oops, I pushed the wrong button. Mode button is the M. If I can push it. Mode button. See, it went to the camera right there. Press it again. There's playback. Let's see what we can see here. Press the up button. There's a picture I took. That looks like a video, but it's not playing, is it? Let's see. Wonder if we press OK if it'll start playing it. There's my video. See it? All right, that's a pretty good little video, isn't it? Press OK again, it'll stop. We press up again and go to another video. You can see how it works there. We're going to go and take all these and use the little thumb drive and put it on our PC and see how they look up there, okay? Okay, the car's still running. It did start recording when I turned the car on, so let's turn the car off now and see what happens. Well, it stays on, doesn't it? All right. See the battery down there? Shows the battery to be full charge, so. All right, now we're going to transfer the files from the camera to the PC. So what you want to do here is push the little card, pull your card out, plug it into your thumb drive that came with it, okay? Plug this into the USB port right here. And we'll transfer it to the PC. All right, we'll transfer the files over to the PC. There it is. Over here is E, that's the little memory card. Open that. DCIM 1, look at all the files. Well, you highlight them and just drag them over to the PC. Ooh, 30 gigabyte, that's going to take a while. We'll just let it take a few of them and then we'll stop it and see what we can do. Yeah, I think we're going to stop it now. All right, I think we've got about all the files over there we want over there. We're not going to take all those. Most of them are pretty much the same kind of stuff. So let's see what we can do now. See what they look like. There's your first one. It's a video of my PC. We shot that early on in the video to show you what it does. So next one. There we are, just before we backed out of the driveway. So we'll get a video here backing out of the driveway now. There we go. Start off, gonna back it out of the driveway. Now we took all the sound out because it's a lot of noise and wind and all that. So backing out. Here's our street. All right, that's an 1882 schoolhouse that closed down during World War II. Another video. That's a pretty good looking video. Look at that. Pretty nice, isn't it? Wow. Depends on how the light's shining on you, so. See the light? I'm early in the morning, so the light's shining on me. Okay, so you see now how to use this little guy. It does work. It's a pretty good little camera. There's a link in the description below to Amazon if you want to go check it out. Thanks for watching, and next time. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on, links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.